Hi, my name is Alec Goulet, and for General Chemistry 2 this week at Duane University, we're going to be doing what they call the elephant toothpaste experiment that has been pretty popular amongst people lately, and we'll dive a little bit into the chemistry behind it as well. So just a few basic ingredients that we'll be using. We have some yeast, I have some hot water that I've heated up. We're going to be using a little bit of dish soap, some food coloring, and some hydrogen peroxide. This is only 3%, so we'll see if we need to use a little bit more to get up to a better reaction. So to start off, we're going to put the hydrogen peroxide in here. That should be pretty good. We're going to use a little bit of this dish soap spray. Hopefully it should give us the suds and stuff that we need. And it shows a little bit of green food coloring. Just a couple drops to give it some color. We'll see how that is. Alright, that is a nice darker color. Okay. I'm going to take some yeast, get it in here. I'll add some hot water as well. Hopefully that's not too much. I'm going to stir this up a little bit. Stir up a little bit, maybe just a little bit more yeast in here. Get that stirred up. Stuck on the spoon here. Alright, and I'm going to add the warm water and yeast into this solution that we have created. Whoa. There we go. So we did have quite a bit of the foam that was created, and we didn't make any mess, so that's even better. So we'll take a look at the chemistry behind that here. Alright, let's dive into the chemistry here a little bit. Hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, in this experiment is being broken down by the enzyme in yeast, which is called catalase. This breaks the hydrogen peroxide into oxygen gas and water. This oxygen gets trapped in the soap and ultimately becomes the foamy mess that we see here. So we have enough ingredients for one more. Let's try another little one. Just pouring a little bit in there, and we see the oxygen is being trapped in the foamy substance, and voila. Now it's also important to note that the elephant toothpaste experiment is an exothermic reaction, meaning that as the gas was created, it also created heat. So now that it's cooled down a little bit, I can feel the heat that was created, which is a little bit warmer than our hot water was. This week at Duane University, we are going to be looking at doing a elephant toothpaste reaction. For this reaction, we're going to be using some hydrogen peroxide. I have available 3 red